Welcome to Cool as a Cucumber, How to Testify Successfully at Your Deposition or in Court in a Utah Domestic Relations Case, Part 1. This is the video form of my deposition preparation guidebook. Cool as a cucumber means to be calm and composed, especially in stressful or difficult situations. It describes someone who remains relaxed and unruffled, even when others around him or her might be anxious or excited, or trying to get them anxious or excited. Someone who can handle pressure without showing signs of stress. This phrase, cool as a cucumber, originated in the early 1700s and derives from ancient folk knowledge confirmed by science. The interior temperature of a field cucumber on a warm day is 20 degrees cooler than the air temperature around it. We'll jump right in to discuss successful deposition testimony now. When it comes to testifying, follow the golden rules. 1. Always tell the truth. 2. Simply telling the truth is not enough sometimes. Understand the context. 3. Your deposition or testimony can rarely, if ever, do anything but hurt you. 4. Be prepared. 5. Before you answer a question, hear the question and understand the question. 6. Think about the truthful response to the question before you answer or speak. 7. Do not volunteer information. Answer the question and only the question asked. 8. Do not let opposing counsel put words in your mouth. 9. Mistakes happen. Don't let them send you into a tailspin. 10. I don't know and I don't recall are acceptable answers when they are true. Do not guess, speculate, or surmise, that's number 11, in response to a question. You testify as to what you know, not what you don't know, and guessing is by definition not knowing. 12. Stick to the facts, see Rule 11. 13. Behave professionally and maturely. 14. You are never off the record. And 15. Know your role in the process, see Rules 2 and 3. I have observed testimony that made the difference between winning and losing the case. This means I've experienced testimony that snatched victory from the jaws of defeat in a weak case, and I've also experienced testimony that resulted in a losing case for my clients that they could have or should have won. The following principle applies to you whether you like it or not. Ready? The overwhelming majority of people are not inherently talented testifiers. Testifying successfully under oath is somewhat counterintuitive. Learn how it works before you do it for real for all the marbles. He or she who believes that he or she is a natural at testifying and thus does not need to learn about or prepare for his or her deposition is either an extraordinarily rare specimen or a fool. Don't know what you are? Why leave it to chance? You can't afford to. You only get one opportunity to testify. There is very good news, however. Learning how to testify properly and effectively is not hard to understand and not hard to do. I am literally begging you to review all of these videos that make up this series carefully and repeatedly if need be. Know this stuff cold, so that you know what proper and effective testimony is and how to testify properly and effectively yourself. Ignore this advice at your and your case's peril. Follow this advice to your case's guaranteed benefit. If you skip or skim any part of this, Murphy's Law says that what you didn't review is the part that will burn you in your deposition. And no, there is no Cliff's Notes style summary at the end that you can take as a shortcut. For your sake, please watch or listen. You don't need to see me and get the gist, although you may get a little more out of that, and understand the whole thing. Thanks for watching or listening, and we'll see you back here for Part 2.